Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. Unity at GDC finished yesterday, and the last thing on the schedule were the Unity Awards. Lots of categories with tons of awesome games, applications, and creators. I was nominated for Best Tutorial Creator, and then this happened.
For Best Unity Insider Tutorial Creator,
Who's it gonna be?
the winner is Code Monkey at Unity Code Monkey.
And yep, I won the award. This award was voted by the community, so thank you all so much. I'm very happy that all of you enjoyed the videos. I love learning new things and making tutorials teaching what I've learned, and I definitely want to keep doing this for a very long time. But of course, none of this would have happened without all of you watching the videos. So again, thank you all so much for watching the videos. I've got lots of exciting things planned for this year with tons of tutorials and many more awesome projects. And of course, all of the other awards are awesome. All of the nominated games, they're all great. They really showcase how you can use Unity to build anything you can dream of. There's also lots of awesome assets, a bunch of great creators. And over here are all of the nominees for Best Tutorial Creator. So Matt from Game Dev Guide has lots of interesting videos on some pretty obscure topics that no one else covers, like making search windows, a spell checker, and a cheat console. Then Thomas Brush has tons of art tutorials and some great videos on the business side of development. Over here, Nikki from iHeartGameDev has some excellent super detailed videos. His animation videos really helped me out when I was starting with making more 3D stuff. Lottie makes a bunch of nice tutorials on Twitter, and Pablo also has some interesting shaded tutorials. So if you're interested in learning Unity, definitely check out all of those creators. Thanks again for voting for me, and I hope to keep making many more videos for you to enjoy and learn from. This year should be full of awesome videos, so hopefully I will also be worthy of your votes next year. So thanks again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.